One smile, one handshake, one moment. Suddenly, everyone's attention shifts. You've seen it before. The person who lights up a room without saying a word. They're not the smartest, richest, or even the best looking. They have something far more powerful. Charisma. Here's the truth. Charisma isn't magic. It's science. Psychology and neuroscience show it's a learnable skill, and it can change the trajectory of your career, your relationships, even your daily interactions. In today's world, charisma opens doors that talent or money alone can't. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 proven habits of highly likable people. The same habits used by leaders, creators, and icons who captivate effortlessly. And the best part? You can start practicing them today. Habit number 1. They are truly present. Most people drift, half scrolling, half listening. Charismatic people, they give you their full attention. In that moment, you feel like you're the only person in the world. Neuroscience shows why. When you feel heard, your brain releases oxytocin, the trust hormone. Presence isn't polite. It's biological influence. Habit 2. Intentional listening. The best communicators don't dominate. They draw you out. They listen 80% of the time, speak 20%. And here's the secret. They ask thoughtful follow-up questions that make you feel valued, not interrogated. Think of leaders like Barack Obama, pausing, reflecting, making people feel their words truly matter. Habit 3. They master emotional contagion. Your brain has mirror neurons, cells that literally copy the emotions of people around you. That's why laughter spreads. Charismatic people consciously project warmth and positivity. They smile, use open body language, radiate optimism, and without realizing it, you mirror their energy, feeling better, associating that good feeling with them. Habit 4. Confident vulnerability. True charisma isn't about being flawless. It's about being human. When leaders like Brené Brown share a personal struggle, or when The Rock admits fear before a fight, they don't lose respect. They gain trust. Why? Because vulnerability signals authenticity. It tells others, I'm real. You can be too. It lowers walls and builds bonds. And finally, habit 5. They are memory architects. Charismatic people remember details others forget. Your dog's name, your favorite coffee, the challenge you shared last week. It feels magical when someone recalls what matters to you. But it's not magic. It's practice. They build mental hooks to store small details, then bring them back at the perfect moment. That transforms acquaintances into allies and conversations into real connections. These aren't talents you're born with. They're muscles you can train. So here's your challenge. Pick just one habit this week. Try being fully present in every conversation. Put your phone away, lock eyes, and listen. Watch how quickly people notice the difference. Because charisma isn't about spotlighting yourself. It's about making others feel seen, heard, and valued. So, of these 5 habits, which one do you want to master first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready to stop fading into the background and start becoming unforgettable, hit subscribe for more science-backed insights into personal growth and leadership. The difference between overlooked and magnetic is 5 habits away.